Welcome back, everyone. My name's Steven, and I'm with Cannin.com. This week, we're going to jump straight into another technical analysis, and this week, we're looking at a unique stock, Zoetic. Here it's ZOE, and this is not traded in the USA on the OTC like many of our analyses are. This is on the LSE, the London Stock Exchange, so really interesting. One of the few, if not only, cannabis hemp companies located on the London Stock Exchange. So a lot of access to capital that perhaps some of the OTC tickers don't have. A similar story here when we look back over the last couple of years. Lots of excitement, up down as they make different announcements, transitioning from some of their oil and gas to their CBD hemp business. And then 2018, 2019 comes, right, with the crash. And let's just zoom in here to more recent times so we can see kind of what's happening. It's trading around 11, now down to 5, 5.5. So really hitting some hard times. We're looking at the SMAs now. So again, short period is the green, blue period is the blue line is the mid period, and the red is the longer term period. And what did we see? We almost saw a cross here, but it bounced on the blue line and came back down. And then in November, the very end of last year, we did finally get across. We almost got across the long period, which would have been a nice signal for us to buy. And it bounced. So currently coming back down towards that cross to cross the blue line, which would be a death cross, a sign to sell. But we're also looking at the no sure thing, the KST. And you can see here, if I bring up the settings, the KST is the green line, the signal is the red line. And we're going to look for a couple things here. We've looked at the KST before, but we're going to look at when the KST crosses the signal line. That's going to be an opportunity to buy or sell. As well as when it crosses this zero, the horizontal axis at 0, right? So when it crosses below, we know that that's a weak signal. When it crosses above, that's a strong signal. So you want to have, in terms of buy signals, the KST be above the signal line and above 0. So we can kind of analyze what happened here. The KST is above 0, but here it crosses the signal line, 13th of November. When that happens, the 13th of November, we closed at 960. Since then, down, 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 down. And that follows the trend and actually confirms it even more. So we would have stayed in that trade as that short trade as it crossed 0. Here we have in recent times, this month actually, we had another cross, a golden cross down here. Perhaps this death cross will be fought off, and we'll get some more golden crosses on the smooth moving averages. But as far as the moving averages go, no opportunity to buy present. As far as the KST goes, perhaps an opportunity to buy. We can see about the 8th of January, the 7th of January. When this stock was right at around 596 closing, we did get that cross. So we're going to watch for this KST, which is now above the signal line, to actually come above 0, and that's going to be a buy signal. So let's pay close attention to what happens with our momentum KST indicator as well as our smooth moving averages. This stock only has one way to go, up, up, up. If we zoom back, you can see we've smashed through some of our previous lows. So it'll be interesting to watch what happens further with Zoetic traded on the London Stock Exchange. Thank you so much.